What's good, everybody? It's Vaughn, and you know this is where you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. Before we get started, I want you to make some money. So scroll to the description and click the link next to WeBull and collect your free stocks. If you don't want the stocks, just take the money. It's free. And if you don't want free money, you're moving funny. So I got the Amex Platinum card, and the annual fee is $695. And I already paid it. But that money looks a lot better right in my pocket. So I'm going to get on the phone and I'm going to see if we can get that annual fee completely waived or at least a retention offer. I'll place the phone number down below just in case anyone wants to try this. And I'll also put it in the description. Let's do it.
Welcome to American Express. This call may be recorded.
Esta llamada puede ser grabada.
How can I help you today?
Annual fee.
Okay, annual fee. Say or enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Please enter the last 5 digits of your card number. You can find it in just a moment while I connect you to a representative.
Smile. And nice. Take a little bit of advice. You got to do.
Hi, sir. This is Kim. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Great. Thank you so much. I understand you have questions about your business platinum account.
Yes, I did.
Okay. And how can I help?
Okay, so the reason why I'm reaching out to you guys is because I've recently paid my annual fee, and I wanted to know if there's any way that I could get that annual fee waived.
We don't have the ability to waive or remove an annual fee on a card. Were you wanting to downgrade the account?
No, I didn't want to downgrade the account.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't offer the option to just waive an annual fee. Unfortunately, and I don't have the ability to do that. We have, of course, as I mentioned, we have the downgrade options where I can review what's available for the features on the card. I just don't have the ability to remove an annual fee.
Do you guys potentially offer any retention offers?
Give me just a moment. Let me reach out to our consulting team, and I'll be right back with you.
All right. Some things that are going to work in your favor is the fact that it's very difficult for Amex to acquire new business customers. And if you're with them for a long period of time, that's going to work in your favor. But you can also leverage the fact that there's other there's other cards on the market that have better sign-up bonuses and 0% introductory periods. So you could use those talking points to build up a case that's in your favor. Acquiring new business customers is so expensive that they offer 50 to 60,000 Amex points for referring a new business to their cards. So it's in their best interest to keep you as a customer and to keep you happy. Let them get lost in the sauce, cause you know that you the ball. They need you more than you need them. I just gave you a gem. Bim, bim. Bim, bim. You gotta have fun. We alive right now. Love your life. We alive right now. I'm giving you bars, not a new car. $695. That's a whole car payment. $695. I need it in my pocket. I could buy a rocket. I'm about to get this cheese and I ain't even gonna say please. Fam, I've been paying the annual fee like every year. One year I think they gave me like a discount one year because of the pandemic. And they've been going up in the annual fee. Time for you to give me some money.
Oh, thank you so much for your patience. I do have Tony online from our consulting team. I've shared with her the reason for your call today, and she's going to go ahead and speak with you now.
Okay.
Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Kim. Hi, it's Tony Davis speaking on the recorded line of Membership Consulting. And I see your first name is listed as Jovan. Is that how you, Jovan, is that how you prefer to be addressed?
Yes. Did you say your name is Tony?
Tony, T-O-N-I.
Okay. Hi, Tony. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm in Florida, and I was visiting my sister, and we walked, and all that flora and fauna came through and now my voice is all raspy.
Where are you visiting from?
I'm
Oh, you're actually right down the road from me. I'm actually in South Florida. I'm in Broward County, Fort Lauderdale.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes. We have yes, exactly. Oh, cool. So I don't know. I get these out, because it was remember it was a little chilly and then it got warm again, and it's like all the pollen is out.
Well, I hope you get better soon.
Thank you. But I have your business platinum card from Mons Empire. Now I have two options, and I understood from my colleague you didn't want to change to a different card, like a down. I hate to use the word downgrade, a product change or anything. I've got two options that I have available to me to offer you to keep you in the card. They're both where you can spend $5,000 within 3 months, within the next 3 months, on eligible purchases, and they're kind of equal. It's what you prefer. And once you meet that threshold, I can either give you a $350 statement credit, so that will offset some of that $695 fee, or I can give you 35,000 membership reward points after you reach that spend, which is based on how you use the points is equivalent to $350. So it's like if you prefer points or a statement credit.
So essentially, it would be like I'm getting another sign-up bonus.
Right, exactly, because what we agreed to is to keep the account open for the next 12 months. So you would be saying, yes, I'll accept one of those incentives that you provide, understanding that I'm going to keep the account open till this time next year.
Okay, so the offer where I would get the 350 statement credit sounds more appealing.
That's more appealing to you, okay? Yeah, it's like what you prefer. And I always go high. I give you whatever I've got available. Whatever I've got available. I go high. I don't go low and say, oh, I'll give you this, and then you'll like, oh, is there something? I always just go right to the top of my list. Purchase date, maybe the date the goods are shipped. Do I have your approval to process your request to keep your card account open?
I'd actually like to ask you, is that the best offer?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I go high. That's what I have. That's the best offer I have. That's why I say I don't go low, and you have to ask me, is there anything better? I always go to the highest, and those were the two.
Because I've been with you guys for it's been 5 years now.
Well, yeah, those are the options that I had. The only other those are the options that I have available to me. And the only other option is, but I don't think you wanted to do it, was to change to, a card with a lower fee. We've got the business gold and the business green. Their benefits are slightly different if you're saying you're not really utilizing the benefits on this business platinum card. That's the other options I have. But I'm giving you what I have to give. Like, I don't play games. I just tell you what I've got. And that's just the way they are set up nowadays. Because I've been doing this a while, and that's what they are. And I always go high. Like, I don't go low. I don't start out with, well, I'll give you $100 statement credit, which I have to give you too. I see that you do some nice spends, so I was like, well, I know he's gonna spend a decent amount in 3 months that he can get the statement credit,
All right.
or the points.
All right, then I'll go ahead and accept the 350 sign-up bonus after 5,000 spent.
Yeah, I'm giving you what I've got to keep you. We do appreciate you, but I'm honest. So I have your approval to process your request to keep your account open.
Yes.
And then you'll get the 300. Okay, processing it now.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give them a call back, and I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna work because I already accepted the offer that they gave me. There's a trick that I forgot to use, and I always use it, so I'm not even sure how I forgot. But if there's a lot to gain and a little to lose, why not try?
We are not in business to provide offers outside of the usage on the card. The most that we have available is the spend 5,000 get 350, which you.
Okay, are you saying that the best offer that's being provided me due to the fact that I haven't been spending so much recently?
Yeah, we may have different offers just based on the usage of the card. That's why I asked you. You're not really spending on this account, so it doesn't make sense for you to be in. I get where you're coming from. You're not spending on the card. You're not utilizing the benefits. So my recommendation is let's move away from the business of the card and the way that you're spending, we it's just not the best offer we have is the spend 5, get 350.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for letting me know that.
You're welcome, Jovan. I hope you have a great day. Take care.
All right, you as well. So I went ahead and called back and I requested to speak to a supervisor, and the information that she just gave me is valuable. So the reason why I didn't get a full credit to waive my annual fee is because of my spend. I haven't really been using this card, and I knew that, but I wanted the actual confirmation from a representative of American Express to say that, just so that you have that information and you can use it to your advantage. I'm gonna put a little bit more spin on the card, and then I'm gonna get that annual fee waived. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you're notified when I post a new video. I still got my $350 now. I ain't get the whole car payment, so I might just have to lease one.